Hello, let me just sit here. Welcome to my December vlog. It has been so long since I filmed a monthly vlog. Well, actually I did, but then I kept failing. So I'm determined to do a December vlog. So here I am. First of all, December is my favorite month. And then also I got a new vlogging camera, which if you know me, you'll know that every time I get a new vlogging camera, it just means vlogs. So I'm hoping that this is gonna help me be more familiar with this camera. Right now I'm just sitting at my filming spot. This is just a little corner in my room, literally a corner, and I have this plant which I always have to shift back and forth the dining room because it actually belongs there. I just put this for some color in my videos. I'm not sure how I came up with this filming setup, but here I am. I have just finished filming a couple of videos. I'm very happy with myself. Hopefully that means that I can rest next week and not film. So right now I just have to clear my room because as usual every time I finish filming my room is just a mess. Like I have some skincare products here and clothes everywhere, accessories everywhere because I'm fickle-minded and I don't know what style I want to go for. And then tonight we're heading out because I need to get some Christmas shopping done. I did order some stuff on ColourPop for my mom and my sis. By the time they're watching this, they probably already gotten their presents. So yeah, I bought them some stuff from ColourPop. It arrived, but no one was here to get the package, so it's currently in the post office, so I can't show you guys as well. And so yeah, I do need to get Christmas presents for the boys, or the men's. Did I just say men's? Men's with an S. And what else? I feel like I'm just really excited to be vlogging again. The last time I uploaded a monthly vlog was in February, and right now we're in December. So right now I'm using my new vlogging camera. It's the Sony A6400. I believe by the time you're watching this I would have already uploaded a video about my vlogging camera, so you can check that out if you want to know more about this camera. I'm currently filming on the picture profile. I'm not sure if I will be switching throughout the month, but right now I am loving this for like monthly vlogs. You know, I'm still very unfamiliar with this camera, but I have a feeling that I might be filming at really high quality because it just kept telling me that my memory card is out of memory, and I've changed like 4 memory cards. So it's either I'm filming too much, blabbering too much, or I'm just filming at really high quality. So I'm just gonna clear my room now, enough of procrastinating, and I'll see you later on when I'm doing something more interesting. I'm literally doing everything I can to not clear my room. I want to show you guys my new phone case. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it already. It's so pretty. This is the Casetify x BTS collaboration case. It's effing expensive, but I'm in love with it, and it's good quality case. So I mean, I don't really know much about Casetify. To be honest, I just bought it because BTS. But yeah, this is the customized case. I got it in iridescent and customized my name here. Just kept it simple. This is my wallpaper. I'm really avoiding cleaning my room. Let's play some music because that always helps. Back from lunch, and I'm about to continue my painting. This is the painting I've been working on since last night. So I'm not sure if you can see, I've done the details for these flowers. The leaves, I have not done the details yet. I just did some highlights, which is why I have the lighter colors for the veins. There's a lot of details to do, so this painting is gonna take a while. But I'm really happy with the overall layout and the color so far. I feel like I need to touch up on this one again so it's not completely complete. I'm just gonna take things slowly. So the paint I'm using For the base, it's watercolor, and then for the details, I'm using this paint, which I have no idea how to pronounce. So about 3 hours later, this is my progress. I did the details on here as well as these plants. It takes a long time to do the leaves, but I really like how the flowers came out. So that's progress, and I'm heading out soon. Today is the 14th of December. I've just finished a couple of videos. I just finished filming a couple of videos. It's currently 1:30. I started filming quite late today, so that's the reason why. And now I'm just about to go make lunch after I finish clearing my room. Yes, again, I hate this part. So previously, when I started my vlog, I was filming on picture profile number 10, which I said I like, but then when I was editing my videos, I transferred it onto my computer and I was like, don't really like it actually. And so right now I'm trying to experiment with more picture profiles and more settings. I went out that night and I did change the picture profile here and there, and I still don't know which one I like. Right now I'm actually filming with no picture profile, but I have adjusted the white balance so it doesn't look too yellow. So let me know what you think. I feel like it always looked quite dull. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe I should set the exposure. Like, is this better? I feel like this might be too exposed. I have no idea. Hold on, let me try another picture profile. Right now I'm filming on picture profile number 2, and I don't really know if there's a difference, but please let me know which one you like, because I'm just really kind of stressed about the picture profiles. You know, it's really stressing me out whenever I go out and then I find that the color is off and I don't really like it. So do let me know. I think I'm gonna use this to film my cooking later on, so we'll see how that goes. It is currently 1:44, and so I think I really need to go get my ass up, clear my room, and make lunch. Anyway, this is more of like a note to myself, but I am filming with picture profile number 2. It's very cool. So I'm here to wrap my Christmas presents, which I will definitely fast forward, but first of all I need to open this package right over here. It's from ColourPop. It's actually Christmas presents for my sister. But there are also a couple of things in here for myself, and I thought I want to share them with you guys. Okay, so first of all, I decided to stock up on my brow pencils. These are the Brow Boss pencils. I believe I got 2 shades. So I got light brown and warm blonde. So I got 2 of each. These are my favorite eyebrow pencils because they're very thin. They're very affordable. I got them when ColourPop was having a sale. And then I also got this is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. So this is my very first time trying this product. I got it in the shade 85N medium. It looks quite dark. Maybe not. It looks like that. I thought it was pretty interesting because I've never tried it. I'm just gonna play some music. Not Christmas songs because I don't feel like it. My camera ran out of space just now, halfway, and so I didn't manage to film everything. The Sony camera is really using up a lot of space, so maybe I need to film in a smaller format. But anyway, the presents are all wrapped, and now I'm gonna put them all under the tree. So if you're wondering, I think everyone's asleep. Except for me. I need to go edit my videos, and I also want to paint. There's just so many things I want to do. I decided to edit my vlogs instead of continuing with my painting, which is what I'm more excited and happy to do. I was editing my Type A vlog halfway, I think last weekend, and so I'm gonna continue editing my Type A vlog day 5. I've been procrastinating editing the Type A vlogs for a very long time because I think it's because I did not have fun when I was in Type A. I was very bored most of the time. We didn't really do anything fun, and so the footage are like just us eating, and I don't know. I didn't have fun when I was there. I just remember that most of the time I was very tired, and so I feel like I look very tired in the videos, and so I'm just like editing it for the sake of just uploading it for like memory's sake, just so I can like delete the footage and free up the space in my memory cards. So yeah, let's continue editing day 5, and it means I still have like 2 days of footage to edit.
I already watched Brooklyn Nine-Nine. But not Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Big Bang Theory.
Working on this with you, but it hasn't.